I'm Dr. Kate Utek with New Journey Physical Therapy, and I want to go over a stretch for the piriformis muscle for you and a stretch for the obturator internus muscle. So first I'm going to go over a little bit of anatomy so you know where these two muscles are and why I'm going over stretches for them in the same video. So this is a pelvic model. Inside you see the pelvic floor muscles. I'm going to bring it nice and close. Right back here is approximately where the piriformis muscle should be, okay? So the piriformis muscle is a hip external rotator. That means that when you are moving your hip, it will move your toes out. So I'm rotating my right hip with that. The obturator internus is also a hip external rotator. It's in here on the pelvis, this area above the line, and it's down here. It's really a tricky part about this muscle is that it can be reached externally right here, but it can be reached internally. More of the muscle belly can be reached this way. The piriformis muscle is blamed for a lot. It's a very problematic muscle for a lot of people. It gets very tight and it can cause irritation in the buttock region, and it can irritate the sciatic nerve, so it can be one cause of sciatica. The obturator internus, if it gets very tight and overworked, can often cause the piriformis muscle to also become overtight and overworked. And then you have people blaming the piriformis when maybe the obturator internus needs to be dealt with as well. So I'm going to give you some stretches for the piriformis muscle, but I also want to go over a stretch for the obturator internus muscle. If you're repeatedly doing a piriformis stretch and not getting the relief that you would expect from doing a frequent stretch, then I want you to try the obturator internus stretch and see whether that gives you better relief. So, piriformis stretch. You're coming down on your back. You're going to cross one foot onto the opposite knee, and then you're going to put one hand around the thigh of the foot that's on the floor and one hand through the figure four that your legs are creating to grab the other side of that thigh, bringing your legs up and gently bringing your thigh towards your chest to stretch the opposite side. So right now I'm holding my left thigh and I'm feeling the stretch on my right buttock. Okay? Some people love that stretch position, but I find some people really do better with a position of grabbing their opposite across your body, reaching for the knee and bringing that knee towards your shoulder. So I'm bringing my right knee towards my left shoulder, and some people will get a little bit better of a stretch with this and be more effective at calming down any overactivity in that piriformis muscle. For the obturator internus stretch, you're going to start in this similar position, both knees bent. You're going to straighten one knee partially. I'm going to be stretching my left side here now. I'm going to take my right ankle and put it on my left knee, but I'm going to be stretching my left obturator internus. I'm taking my right leg and using my ankle to apply pressure inward on my knee, above my knee, on my thigh, to get that stretch in the obturator internus up in my pelvis. If you feel a really intense stretch with this, I want you to consider whether the obturator internus is more part of the problem than you might have thought before. Okay? So these stretches can be really effective. Like I said, sometimes piriformis can be irritating to the sciatica, to the sciatic nerve, cause sciatica symptoms, could be causing pain in your buttock region. If you have tightness in these two muscles, you could also be experiencing hip pain, back pain, sacroiliac joint pain, or pain with intercourse. So consider this as a treatment option for you if you're having a variety of symptoms. It can also just be calming for the pelvic floor to calm down those local little hip muscles that are right next to the pelvic floor to calm them down as well. So if you're having pelvic pain in general, include these in your program. Thanks for watching and have a great day.